Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. I don't know if I should sit down or stand up. I have a lot to talk to you about today. This is a recipe that was requested by one of my subscribers. This is the Keto Southern dressing recipe. And she requested that I do everything, the cornbread, the chicken stock, and saute the vegetables, cook the cornbread, mix everything together, and then bake it. You notice I have some halfway Christmas attire, and we finished decorating the Christmas tree today. How do you like it? So I'm in the Thanksgiving mood, and I'm also in the Christmas mood. Those are my two favorite holidays. So we ordered this tree from Amazon, and Amazon give you so many days to, based on the warranty. So we received this tree in October. So we put it up just to test to make sure all the lights and everything were working, and they are, so that if they weren't working, we could return the tree. But it appears that everything is working, so we're going to keep the tree. This is a 9-foot tree. I'll link the link in the description box just in case you want to order this tree. The cornbread recipe video is already out there, and the recipe for the cornbread, keto cornbread, is on the website, on my website. Also, how to make the best chicken stock on my website, ingredients, and also the stock, and baking it and tasting it. So hopefully I won't forget some of these things that has been requested. So the only thing that's going to be different about this recipe is seeing me saute the vegetables, mixing them together, mixing the stock in there, letting you know how much stock I'm adding to the dressing and how much of the chicken I'm adding to the dressing, because it is keto southern chicken and dressing. So I believe that is all I have to say at this time on my notes. So let's get started with this dressing, this keto southern cornbread and chicken and cornbread dressing. Okay, so let's get started. Adding 1 cup of whipping cream, and then I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of sour cream. It's probably gonna be all of this sour cream I have left in here. Yeah, it's about 3/4. Okay, I added the apple cider vinegar to the batter here. Like I said, there's a video already out on YouTube and also on my website, how to make the keto cornbread. So, and I have also added it to this video. Hopefully I have enough room to do that. Okay, I got this skillet really hot, so I can add my cornbread in here. I have like 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in the skillet. So go ahead and add my cornbread, and I'm going to place it in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So I always like any kind of cornbread I'm making, I always like to put it on the eye with some oil and heat the oil up so that it can get a nice crust formed under the bread before I place it in the oven. I just took the keto cornbread out of the oven. In my small oven it took 35 minutes, so it depends on your oven. So I would check it after 20, and if it's not done after 20, just leave it in there probably to 30 minutes. So, but mine took exactly 35 minutes. While the cornbread is cooling off and the stock is cooling off, I'm gonna go ahead and saute the vegetables. So I'm gonna add half a stick of butter to the pan. I added the butter, and I have, it's not a full bay leaf, but a partial bay leaf. I like to add it, you know, to give it extra flavor when I'm preparing the sauteed vegetables. I have 1 whole bell pepper I chopped up. I'll add into this pan. This is 2 whole celery sticks I've chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and add them to the pan. I just added a half a white onion to the pan, and I have my whole bell pepper in there, and 2 stalks of chopped celery. Oh, it smells so good in here. Now I'm going to add, this is 4 cloves of garlic I'm adding to the pan. I have to have my garlic and my Southern keto low carb dressing here. So it's really smells good. I'm going to add a little salt to the pan here. And that's about 1/3 of a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, I crumbled the cornbread up, the keto cornbread, and then I added the sauteed vegetables to it and mixed it up. So now I'm gonna add my ingredients. Okay, I removed the bay leaf from the cornbread, keto cornbread, and I added 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Now I'm adding 1 cup of stock to the pan. I probably will add 2, but I'm just letting you know at this time I'm adding 1. I'm adding another cup of stock to everything here. And then I'm going to add my sage and poultry seasoning to the pan here. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of each. See how that dressing look? That keto low carb dressing looks so delicious. And now I added the sage and poultry seasoning. So now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of thyme and 1 teaspoon of parsley. Right, there we go. Mix this together. Okay, I deboned the chicken. I removed the skin off the chicken, and now I'm gonna mix it up with my keto low carb southern dressing. It looks delicious. You don't have to add as much chicken as I did, but I like mine with chicken. So at this point, you want to taste it because you will be adding an egg. So this is the time to taste it and make sure you have enough seasoning in it. I added another teaspoon of salt. So now I'm gonna mix it again and taste it. Okay, I'm gonna add another half a stick of butter in this, and I'm gonna mix it up well before I add the egg to the dressing. All right. I added another teaspoon of pepper because I couldn't taste the pepper, and I'm gonna add 1 more teaspoon sage to the pan here. Okay, I mixed everything together, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this 1 egg, and I'm gonna stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. I just took it out of the oven. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. It was in there for 45 minutes, so I'm gonna give it a taste. Give it a taste, and hopefully nobody noticed that I have eaten some of this, and it is definite hot. Definite hot. But it smells just like regular southern chicken and dressing, but it's keto and it's low carb, and I'm loving it. So I hope you love it. I'm gonna give it a try. Let me turn the camera around to me. It's really hot. I'm gonna try it. Hopefully I won't burn my tongue, but it is perfect. And so hopefully you watch some of my other upcoming videos where I'm gonna be doing cranberry sauce from scratch so that we can enjoy, since we are keto and we have other family members that are not keto. So I have both, but usually if I make it from regular cranberries, most people go for that first before they go for the canned cranberry sauce. But let me go ahead and taste it. I don't miss the keto. I don't miss the traditional southern cornbread dressing. This is delicious. This is really, really good. You have to try this recipe. And try this recipe. If you're not keto, you'll love it. So, thank you guys for everything. We reached 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. Love you all. And hopefully we will continue to bring other members in our family here. So thank you so much. But this is delicious. So take care. Have a happy holiday or holidays. So if you like this recipe, like, subscribe, share, comment. Not so much in that order, but you get it. I'm keto, and thank you so much for watching Bettye's Cooking Channel.